Hi, I'm going to talk today a little bit about the logging options and the port configurations of the BV1000. You notice I've got the BV1000 with a number of different cables connected. The ports on the BV1000 are labeled very similar to a PC in that we've got COM1 through COM9 technically, or logically I should say. The most common ports really are COM1, which is on the SPM port. This is typically used for the MUX protocol for, say, on-street parking. We're in a low power configuration because this SPM port has a number of other pins on it that are used to power up the BV1000. This is my MUX cable. They come in different colors and configs, so if yours is different, don't worry about it. You notice when I plugged it in, the reader booted, and that's because the SPM port has on it, and my cable specifically has the pins shorted that tell the BV1000 to boot when powered. If you don't have that in this cable, you may find a jumper like this, small jumper, and this jumper goes in the SPM port, and it's designed to tell the BV1000 to boot up awake. This is the retail protocol cable and the aux port. Again, these come in different styles and configurations, but this is typically where we bind the retail protocol, and it's also used for the man jumper, which is used for loading firmware, which you'll see. Man jumper typically ships open like this, and then you short it when you want to have the man features, which is loading firmware or to force the retail protocol to hear if it's been redefined by software config. The last logging port is COM6. Now this may be taken by a CL, contactless reader, but SP6 is used quite often for logging, and we have a logging cable. Mine looks like this. On the end are two DB9s. This one is plugged into my Moxa box so that I can watch the debug output that comes out. So that goes in here. Now, you notice I have a control panel, the Windows application in the lower left. If I connect, now I've got the retail protocol on COM24, which is the COM port of my PC. If this is functioning correctly, you'll see activity. The green and blue is back and forth communication. Every 2 seconds, this application will send a status request to the BV1000 and return its response. In addition, the configuration on the terminal configuration page, I'm going to get the current config here. You notice I've got the test port as COM6, the log port is COM6, the retail protocol is COM5. If you remember earlier, COM5 is your aux port, COM6 is the SP2, SP6 CL port. So I'm sending the logging and testing out of COM6. And this is at 115, 200, and 8.1. So it's a standard serial terminal configuration. I typically use putty for this. I'm going to bring this over to this window if I can and show you what it looks like. So if you watch, I reboot the terminal with the COM6 log active, you'll see debug information appear on the terminal. And this is very, very useful for finding why a particular sale fails or communication. It's really the syslog of the application.